adding the pen or other writing tool. So first, we're going to want to hide every layer except the background by Alt or Option clicking on the eyeball next to the background. And then we can turn off our selection by pressing Command D, since we've done all the painting we need to do. And then let's go get the brush or pen or whatever writing tool we want. So I am going to just open this pointers.psd. And that looks like we have a quill, a butterfly, so some non-traditional writing implements. I think I'm going to use the pen, so that's this one. So I'll just click on that layer, press Command C to copy it, and then change over to what looks like a blank document. And then we'll just paste that in. All right, great. So now that's in place, and we need to change a few things to make this a little easier on ourselves. So Photoshop tries to be helpful a lot by snapping to different guidelines, and that's usually okay, but in this case, we want it a little freer for us. So we don't want it snapping on the wrong thing, and we can't get our pen where we actually want it to be. So we'll go to View and turn snapping off. And then we also need to turn Smart Guides off. So we'll turn both of those off. And then you'll notice we're not getting those little guides popping up or snapping to different locations.